Kia orana. My name is Phoebe and I was lucky enough to have the opportunity to go with the line of Te Ipukarea Society. I got to do some Kuki time. Kuki time is a fun, interactive program that easily gets kids up, dancing, singing, interacting with each other, and at the same time learning actually 3 languages, English and Te Reo, and then also New Zealand/Cook Island Sign Language. The TIS program was the waste manager, and so I was very honoured to be part of creating the song taku tita. It's reduce our waste by refusing, kopaia, by reusing, so there's our song out there, taku tita.
Ako no i te ao nā tura, tita